Alright, let's get back to hi, how are you doing? Let's get to lesson 3, 4, math 0, math L002. Right? So actually this is in balance. Lesson 3.4. Okay. Let's go over the question first. Question 1. Now, look at question 1. You've already done so. Question 1. So 2b equal to negative 3. 2b equal to negative 3. They want to find 1 plus 4b. Now, technically, you don't need to find b. Most of the time, the teacher will tell you to do 2b equal to negative 3 and b equal to negative 3 over 2. But what I need to do here is just plug in, replace this, change it to 2b. 2 times 2b equal to 4b. So you notice that this is 1 minus 2 times negative 3. Right way. So negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6 plus 1 equal to 7. Right? So if I do this mentally, it's actually very easy. What you need to do is remember is 1 minus 4b. 4b is 2 times of 2 times of this. 2 times of this is negative 6. Negative 6 is positive 6 plus 1, which is equal to 7. So technically this question should be done in around 5 to 10 seconds, right? This is just a step to show you how you're supposed to do it. Let's go to number 2. They said, which of the following statement must be true? A is negative given, and B is positive integers. So 1 said that B plus A greater than 0. So of course you know this is out. So the choice A is 1. A is none, sorry. None. B is 1. C is 2. D is 3. And E is 1 and 2. So you notice that 1 is out, so you can close this 2 already. 2. B minus A over A less than 0. So most of the time we look at this number like, oh, what should I do? So what you can do here is just change to 2. You notice that B minus negative is become a positive. Minus become plus. This become positive on top. And the bottom is still negative. So this means still a negative, so less than 0. So this is okay. So you must have this 3. You don't have 3 at all. So the answer is C right away. I don't need to check 3 anymore. Alright? So done. So this is called process of elimination. You have to eliminate one by one as fast as possible. Right? Number 3. If the product of 5 numbers is positive, then at most how many of the number could be negative? So how many of them negative? Because you want to get a positive 5 numbers. You know if you have even number of negative, then it's going to be a negative. Even number of negative become positive, right? Even number of negative is positive, but now you have 5 numbers. So technically 5 you can have you want to find the most. So it could be negative. So 5 of them must be negative. If you can see, that's it. For example, you can have 4. You can have 4 negative, and then 1 positive. So you got a positive. You have 3 negative and 2 positive is the negative. So in this case, you look at this carefully. You want to find how many of the 5 numbers could be negative, right? Could be. So it can be at most maximum 5 negative is always negative. So you have 5. So odd number of negative is always negative. That's a no-brainer, right? So the answer must be 5 right away. So 4. K times K minus 2 times K plus 1 must be negative. So A2 negative 2, B negative 1, C 0, D2 and E3. So in order to make this negative, so this is one of them must be negative. Maximum is 1 negative or 3 negative. It's going to be 2 negative. So if I put negative here, it's negative, negative, negative. So this is negative. Negative 2 times negative 4 times negative 1. So it's always negative. So that's A. I don't need to put it anymore because if I put negative 1 here, 0, 2 is 0. Put 3 here is positive. Put 0 here is 0. So answer is negative 2 anyway. A. Alright? So very straightforward. Number 5. P squared 2 minus 5 plus negative p squared. So notice that this is negative 3p squared. Negative p squared in parentheses, you negative become positive, so it's plus p squared. You should have negative 2p squared as the answer. Number 6. N plus 5 is an odd integer, then n could be the following. N plus 5 is odd, then n must be even, so must be C. 7. A less than 0, so A is a negative. B greater than 0, so B is positive. So 1, A plus B greater than 0. Well, you never know. It said must be true. Be careful, there are must and could. Must means that you have no choice, it must be true. So this is not necessarily true because my B can be 1 and A can be negative 2, right? So A is out, and 1 is out, sorry. A, B, C, D, E. A is 1 only, B is 2, A is 1, 3, A is B is 2, 3, and E is 1, 2, 3, off. So this is out, this is out, this is out. So the 2 must be correct. So I don't need to check 2 anymore. So I just need to look for 3. 3 is A times A over B greater than 0. So look at this. You can check this is change to A squared over B greater than 0. Right? A squared, negative square is positive or positive? Yes. And 3 is correct. So that is D. Alright? Number 8. One more quick. Number 8 is 7. 8 say that negative 2 cubed plus negative 3 squared. Negative 2 cubed is negative 8 plus negative 3 squared is 9, so it's 1. Right? So we stop for the first page, part 1, and we continue later on for the next few pages. Right? Let's see that.